Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to clear search history on YouTube. So for that, let's head over to the YouTube application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. And once in there, go to Google account. And in here, just search for YouTube history. And once you search it, you will see different results and go to YouTube history. And now it may take a while, and then scroll down and go to manage history. And here, as you can see, it is saving the YouTube history. So I'm gonna delete it. So I'm gonna do it is tap on the delete option, and here it's specific range. There's specific range that you can delete of today, a custom range, or all time. So if you delete for all of the time, you can just tap on delete all time. So I'm gonna do for delete today, and as you can see, it is deleted. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.